In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in to Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in on the website. The desktop and mobile app use social logins and connect a supported broker for trading. All without confusion. Let's start with the web browser. Open your preferred browser and go to the official site at www.tradingview.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In. You'll see a login window where you can enter your account credentials. Type them in carefully, then confirm to proceed. If you've set up additional verification, be ready to approve that step, so you can finish logging in. A quick tip here, make sure the web address is correct and you see a secure connection before you type anything. Once you are signed in, you'll land in your Tradingview workspace, and you are good to go. If you are using the desktop or mobile app, the process is just as simple. Open the app and tap or click the Sign In button. The app will redirect you to your default browser to authorize the login. This is expected behavior and it keeps your account secure. Approve the authorization in the browser, and you'll be brought right back into the app, already signed in. If the redirect doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or that you are connected to a stable network. Prefer a faster route, you can use social sign-in from the login screen. Choose Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn and confirm the prompt. As long as your Tradingview account is linked to that provider, you'll get immediate access without typing separate credentials. Social sign-in is handy when you are moving between devices. But remember that you'll need access to that social account each time you log in this way. Finally, if you plan to place trades directly from a chart, connect your broker from within Tradingview. Open any chart, then look at the bottom of the screen and click the Trading Panel tab. From the list, select your broker, such as Tradingview or Awanda. A login window will appear for that broker. Enter your broker credentials there to authorize the connection. This doesn't replace your Tradingview login, it simply links your broker so you can place orders and manage positions through the Tradingview interface. When the connection is successful, you'll see the broker status in the panel and trading tools enabled on your chart. That's it. Whether you are signing in via the web, the app, a social account, or connecting a broker, you now have a clear path to get started and stay securely logged in on Tradingview.